Okay, now we're going to do area of a circle. So to find the area of a circle, we use the formula pi r squared. So we take the pi and we multiply it by the radius squared. Let's work through an example so you can understand how to use the formula. But before we start, you just need to know that radius is the distance from the centre to the edge. So in the first example, we would do a equals pi r squared, which equals 3.14 times 5 squared. Now 5 squared is 5 times 5. So if you don't have a squared button on your calculator, you could just type in 3.14 times 5 times 5 and it would get you the same answer. So I'll put that over at the side to let you see. But I'm going to show you where the squared button is on the calculator. Okay, so I'm typing in 3.14 times 5 and then there's an x squared button here. So we hit that. And if you get a fraction, you'll have a button that says SD on it. Type that and it will change it into a decimal for you. So the answer is 78.5. Now it's area, so the units will be squared, so centimetres squared. If you did not have the squared button, if you didn't have a scientific calculator, you would just type in this into your calculator and it would come up the exact same answer. Okay. Right, for number 2, you're being shown a diameter, not a radius. So the first thing to do is find out what the radius is. So the radius would be 7, it would be half of that, and then do our area formula. So A equals pi r squared, which is 3.14 times 7 squared. Type that in and we get 153.86. And again, because it's area, make sure we square our units. Okay, so just a quick recap. To find the area of a circle, we just do 3.14 times the radius squared. And that will always give us our answer. Just make sure if you've been shown the diameter that you half it to find your radius before you start. Okay.